essentially inside the storm, Diane. It is just to our south, and we're easily getting into some of the worst gusts.
It is chaos along the Jersey Shore. The superstorm battering the barrier islands. In the crosshairs, started early. Massive chunks of boardwalk littering the streets. Street after avenue after cul-de-sac.
There's waves out, watching that water move in. He's been in these situations a lot, by the way.
Another rogue.
The shore could grow to 20 feet.
On a scuba diver prepared for flooding near his house.
Once the surge peaks at high tide, waves at the
Pieces of the boardwalk have come for 3 blocks.
It's only going to get worse during the next high tide.
So this is taking shelter.
Never seen water in Lower Manhattan. There is water now on the streets.
That's the ocean back there.
Out
Huge
at sea,
waves crashing
up
up
to
and over. Do you
40
see that one? Pushing
gotta
ocean
take a
water.
look at that.
The
This is
wind
all the way
picks up.
down.
This is what happened to 3
And it's only going to get worse
I
during
came
the
to
next
ABC News. I
high
covered New
tide.
York
That's
weather
the
for
ocean back
25
there.
years.
So
I
this
have
is
never
taking
seen
shelter.
water
What
in
you're
Lower
seeing
Manhattan.
right now, that's
There's
what
water
we're
now on
doing,
the
is
streets
we're
in
clearing
Lower
out the
Manhattan.
safest
Let's show
and
you where this
driest
storm
places.
And it's only
By
going
the
to
way,
get worse
This will be a
it's going
historic
to
storm.
make